Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend to all my moms out there. But I just want to come in and do an extremely quick video on a new handbag that I purchased for my birthday. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this handbag because I use it as one of my main travel items. So this is the dust bag. The St. Laurent tote, popular tote, and I purchased it. Let me move back, sorry. I purchased it in the tan and brown color pattern. We know the black is popular. We know the white is popular. This is also a popular item, and it sold out. And it came back in stock. And when it came back in stock, I was like, okay, I'm just going to get this because I don't know if it's always going to be available. And then I called Neiman's one day and they said they only had 22 items left. So I decided to purchase this, and I got rid of one of my LV items a while ago. It's actually my LV Neverfull. I just wanted something that was up to date. After a while, you use those LV Neverfulls, and I'm a big fan of LV, but the Neverfulls, like, they just go through so much, like the wear and tear on those. So I was like, you know, I want something new, something up to date. Never say never on a Neverfull, because I know for sure I will probably be getting another one down the line. But after a while, you just want something a little bit different in your collection. So that's why I decided to purchase this bad boy. This bag I was able to hold my niece BB in. Is huge. And within my niece BB, I was able to put my mini Speedy. So my personal belongings was with me at all times. My wallet, my hand sanitizer, my mask, anything that I needed for travel that I wanted with me, I was able to put in here. It's held up pretty well. When I got to where I was going, I took all my personal belongings out, and I used this as a beach bag, and I enjoyed it. Like, it was such a vibe. I had so much fun, and it was fun. I had an amazing time. And this bag served the purpose going and coming from. I will be honest with you, when you put it under your seat, you have to put it sideways, so the handles kind of like overlap with the bottom of the seat. Now you're going on weekend trips or weekend getaways, this is definitely an option. This would be an option. And it's heavy. It's heavy, but I think it's definitely worth it. So here to my birthday, a gift from me to me, and that's it. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful week. Bye.